Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an open first move reverse walkaround. Now obviously you need to be able to do an open first move, and if you've got some kind of experience with walkarounds of any kind really, it's going to be helpful. So links in the description below, and we're going to press on. So it looks like this goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So starting off, breaking it down, man's left, lady's right, normal first move to begin with, we go back, we come in. Now normally in an open first move we would be letting go with this left hand pretty quickly, but in actuality we're going to do most of the twist out so that we can get our right hand right the way across the lady's back to the far side. If I turn a little bit more, you'll see I've got my fingertips right the way across, tucked around the corner at the far side of the lady's body. Once I've got that strong connection, I can let go with the front hand. The reason I need such a strong connection is because I'm going to be leading the lady backwards, and also I'm not letting her roll out of the move, so I've got to hold her into the move as well. Okay, once we've got a good connection, guys shouldn't have stopped walking forwards. We keep walking, we keep the lady going backwards, and we just walk for a couple. 1 and 2. How many you walk for in freestyle's up to you. Guys, you want to be feeling your way forwards as you twist the lady out on that third count. And then we're just going to slide the lady away to 1 or 2 hands. So let's think about that with some numbers. We go back 1, in 2, open up 3, keep the movement going for 4 and 5, twisting out 6, sliding away 7, and 2 hands on 8, or 1 hand on 8. That works both ways. So let's try it. How fast you go will denote how far you get round. So it goes like this: 5, a 6, open first move, reverse walk around, a back, in, open, walk, walk, twist, slide, and 1 or 2 hands at the end. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We will put a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.